Thinking about skipping the salon and waxing at home? With the right preparation, you can take more control of your waxing routine, make it more comfortable, and potentially save money over time. Before you touch the wax, make sure your skin is ready. If you have a skin condition or you're taking medication that could affect your skin, check with a medical professional before waxing. And never wax over skin that's irritated, sunburned, injured, or unusually sensitive. Next, gather everything you'll need. Depending on your type of wax, that may include wax, applicator sticks, strips if required, a suitable wax warmer, clean towels, and a gentle product for aftercare. Choose a private, well-lit space, wash your hands, and make sure your equipment and skin are clean. Now it's time to heat the wax. Follow the temperature instructions on the product packaging carefully. Wax that's too hot can burn your skin, so don't guess the temperature. Before applying it to a more sensitive area, test a small amount on a less sensitive area, such as your wrist or forearm. It should feel comfortably warm, never painfully hot. When you're ready, work in small sections. Follow your product's instructions and apply the wax in a controlled, even layer according to the recommended direction of hair growth. Here's an important rule: don't keep going over the same spot. Repeated waxing can make freshly waxed skin more irritated. For removal, follow the instructions for your specific type of wax. Keep the skin supported and use a controlled, decisive motion rather than repeatedly pulling at the same area. After waxing, remove any leftover product according to the manufacturer's instructions. Then treat your skin gently. For the next little while, avoid unnecessary friction, excessive heat, and harsh or heavily fragranced products while your skin settles. And pay attention to how your skin reacts. Significant swelling, blistering, severe pain, or another concerning reaction is a reason to seek appropriate medical advice. Now, what about the cost? Professional waxing appointments can add up over time. A home setup may cost less per session when the products can be used multiple times, although the initial setup has its own cost. The biggest benefit of waxing at home isn't just the potential savings. It's the convenience and the ability to choose when and where you do it. Prepare carefully, follow your product instructions, listen to your skin, and don't rush the process. For more practical, evidence-informed health and personal care guides, subscribe to MTH Health.